The ProArc mechanized welding seam tracker that ensures precise and consistent welds. This system reliably detects welding seam and keeps the welding arc stable. The probe automatically locates the weld seam, saving your time for manual control and alignment. The edge detection prevents torch collisions and potential damage. With the auto track detection, the system keeps the welding process stable and consistent. This system is suitable for various welding processes and can be easily worked with your welding equipment. Contact us now for more details.